Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through B2 first, open close, exercise number FCE046. Let's start with number 1. There were very blank people at the party when we arrived, but half an hour later it was crowded. The correct answer is few. Few is used with countable nouns to indicate a small number. For example, few people came to the meeting. Using little would be incorrect here, because little is used with uncountable nouns. Moving on to number 2. How was I to know that she would have an allergic reaction, blank, the nuts in the cake? She should have said something. The correct answer is to. We use allergic reaction to when specifying the cause of the allergy. For example, he had an allergic reaction to pollen. Next up, question 3. Arthritis is a very painful condition that affects not only blank old, but also many younger people, making many everyday activities difficult. The correct answer is the. In this sentence, the is used to refer to a specific group of people. In this case, the old, meaning elderly people as a whole. You can use the before certain adjectives to turn the adjective into a noun that represents a group. For example, the poor suffer more than the rich when the economy is doing badly. Here's question 4. He said he couldn't come to the meeting because of a previous engagement, but I think he is just blank excuses. The correct answer is making. The phrase making excuses means to create reasons to avoid something. For example, stop making excuses and do your homework. Other verbs like doing or having would not fit the context. On to question 5. You were driving at over 50 miles blank hour, and the limit here is only 40. The correct answers are per or an. Per hour or an hour are both correct ways to indicate speed. For example, she was driving at 60 miles per hour, or he runs 5 miles an hour. Both forms are commonly used in English. Remember, the H is silent in hour, so we must use an, not a. Question 6. I blank to go to school now, otherwise I will be late. The correct answers are have, ought, or need. Have to is used to express necessity. For example, I have to finish my homework. Ought to and need to can also express a similar necessity. For example, I ought to go now. It's late. Or, I need to leave. Question 7. I can eat almost blank type of fish or seafood, except for octopus, which I can't stand. The correct answer is any. Any is used in positive sentences to refer to all types of something. For example, you can choose any book you like. Another possible answer for this question is every. And now, the last question, question 8. The city is pretty safe, although you may have some problems if you go into certain neighborhoods blank night. The correct answer is at. At night is used to refer to the time during the night. For example, it's dangerous to walk alone at night. Using in night or on night would be incorrect. In the evening we could say, but at night. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.